5 AI Tools for Students. Welcome back to AsadTech Edge, your hub for the latest in AI and tech. Are you a student looking to save time, boost productivity, and ace your assignments? Then stick around because today, I'm sharing 5 powerful AI tools that will revolutionize the way you study and work. Let's dive in. The first one is Notion AI. First up, we have Notion AI. Notion is already popular for organizing notes and tasks, but its AI feature takes things to the next level. It helps you draft essays, summarize notes, and even brainstorm ideas for projects. Imagine having all your study materials neatly organized, with an AI assistant to simplify revisions. So, whether you're managing a group assignment or planning your study schedule, Notion AI has got you covered. Next is Grammarly, your ultimate writing companion. It doesn't just correct grammar and spelling. It also suggests ways to make your writing clearer and more engaging. Whether you're writing essays, reports, or professional emails, Grammarly ensures your work is polished and error-free. The best part, it even tailors suggestions to academic writing styles. If you want to impress your professors, Grammarly is a must-have. Next one is ChatGPT OpenAI. Coming in at number 3 is ChatGPT by OpenAI. Think of it as your personal tutor, available 24/7. Need help with a tricky math problem or an essay topic? Just ask ChatGPT. It simplifies complex topics and provides creative ideas for assignments. And if you're into coding, it's a lifesaver for debugging and generating code. ChatGPT is like having a pocket assistant who's always ready to help. Next is Canva with Magic Design. At number 4, we have Canva. Specifically, its AI-powered tools like Magic Design. Canva makes creating presentations, infographics, and even posters incredibly easy. With features like Magic Resize and AI text-to-image, you can design visually stunning projects in minutes. So, if you want to add a creative edge to your assignments, Canva is your go-to tool. At last, Wolfram Alpha. And finally, there's Wolfram Alpha, computational knowledge engine that's perfect for STEM students. It solves complex math problems, provides scientific data, and even explains concepts step by step. Whether you're tackling calculus or researching physics, Wolfram Alpha is like having a super smart study buddy. Say goodbye to confusion and hello to clarity. Conclusion: these are the 5 AI tools that every student needs to unlock their full potential. From simplifying tasks to enhancing creativity, these tools are here to make your academic life easier. Which tool are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more videos on tech and AI. This is AsadTech Edge, where we bring you the future of technology today. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.